Hey everyone, welcome back to this Thursday weekly update. Today is May the 30th. As per usual, this is a series that'll show you things and types of stuff you can expect to see from us here at Fort Worth Fabric Studio. So without further ado, let's get right into it. And that does it for this week. Thank you all so much for watching. As per usual, everything you saw in this video will be linked in the description below, so be sure to check that out. Like this video if you enjoyed it. Hit the subscribe button with the bell next to so you get notified when we upload, and we'll see you next week.